Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best circular saws that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Bosch 18 volts cordless circular saw. We've tested many circular saws, and this one comes as close to perfection as possible. Equipped with a standard 7.25-inch blade and an 8Ah battery, and weighing 11.6 pounds, 9.5 for the saw, and 2.14 for the battery, it's a nimble cutter by itself. But the good news gets better. It has an aluminum accessory track, no special shoe or mounting hardware required. Lay the track, available separately for about $100, on the board or plywood, and slide this Bosch down it like a locomotive riding the rails. The resulting rip or crosscut is table saw accurate. To control cutting depth, this saw features a thumb latch right above the trigger. Move the latch forward and press down, and the saw's shoe drops. To fine-tune the shoe's position, simply hold it with one hand while pressing down on the latch. When the shoe is where you want it, release the latch. And the amount of blade exposure below the shoe is right where you need it. Moving on at number 4, we have the Makita 5007MG circular saw. The Makita 5007MG7 -1/4 in magnesium circular saw features highly durable magnesium components and a powerful 15 amp Makita-built industrial motor. The 5007MG seamlessly balances weight, power, durability, and ease of use, making it the most refined circular saw on the market. A built-in dust blower clears the line of cut for more accurate and precise cuts. Built from a lighter magnesium, this saw is easy on the hands and arms, but it has the cutting ability to handle any piece of lumber without difficulty. 2 onboard LED lights ensure you're not missing a cut due to poor visibility, and a nifty, ducted dust blower continually moves debris from the line as you cut. Because it's corded, of course, you have to sacrifice portability and some maneuverability with this saw compared to others on the list. But if those aren't of much concern to you, this is a great investment that should have a home in your workshop for years to come. At number 3, we have the Skil 15 amp corded circular saw. Skil has a long history with the circular saw, and it puts that institutional knowledge to good use with this inexpensive but capable corded model. It's accurate and comfortable to handle. Its cut depth is easy to adjust, and the shoe sits perfectly parallel to the blade. We were also pleasantly surprised by the torque this saw's 15 amp motor provides, and a bright power indicator light lets you know when it's turned on, a handy safety perk we always appreciate. Even with the blade fully submerged in lumber for rips and crosscuts, it powered through our tests with minimal resistance. The 15 amp motor has the power and performance you need to quickly cut lumber and sheet goods for a room addition, deck, and more. The single beam laser guides cuts with increased accuracy, while the integrated dust blower keeps the line of cut sawdust free. The 51-degree bevel, with positive stop at 45 degrees, gives a variety of cut options, while blades changes are easier with spindle lock and on-tool wrench. At number 2, we have the Skil PWR Core 20 volts circular saw. On the corded side of things too, Skil delivers serious value. For general use, this circular saw offers plenty of thoughtful features, including an electric brake, which stops quickly for added safety. If you're looking for a real workhorse that will cut seamlessly through any piece of lumber, this probably isn't your best option. It hits a maximum speed of 300 RPM, which means it may bind while cutting through larger dimensional lumber. That said, it runs on a brushless motor, which when combined with the solid aluminum construction, promises some impressive longevity. The Skil PWR Core 20 trademark brushless 20 volts 7-1/4 in. Circular saw delivers powerful cutting performance, with up to 350 cuts in 2x4 pine on a single charge, when used with the included PWR Core 20 trademark 5.0 Ah lithium battery. Take on demanding jobs and rip through 3x lumber in one pass with the saw's powerful digital brushless motor, which delivers 300 RPM for the extreme cutting performance. Get smooth and accurate cuts with the included 24-tooth 7-1/4 inch circular saw blade. And finally, at number 1 we have the DeWalt 20 volts Maximum circular saw. At 7.6 pounds, this DeWalt saw was the lightest model we tested, and that made it especially comfortable to maneuver and operate. Its compact size, less than 16 inches front to back, also means it's convenient to use in tight or awkward spaces and easier to store or transport than bulkier models. We also found the cam levers, used to lock in bevel and cut depth adjustments, to be intuitive and to lock in place securely without hassle. This kit also includes a snap-on dust chute, which connects directly to your shop vac or dust extraction system. It's worth noting that the 18-tooth blade results in rougher cuts than the 24-tooth blades on most saws. But as long as your projects don't require extra smooth edges, this shouldn't be much of an issue. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.